Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the hair mesh or guide curves and positioning them in the rest pose. This gives a stable baseline. Once done, set scene scale and timing to 1:1 so physics behave predictably. Add basic root bones or control curves at the scalp. These are your primary handles. You'll immediately weight the roots to 100% and taper influence down the strand. Make sure to save a version before animation, so you can revert quickly if a change breaks the setup. You now build light motion by animating 1 to 3 FK controls along each strand. Short arc cell soft movement, so key the root, mid, and tip. Once you have key poses, layer in a subtle procedural noise or wiggle at about 5 to 12% amplitude to simulate air and inertia. This avoids manual microkeys. Then run a low-cost physics pass and bake or cache the solver at your target FPS, typically 24 to 60. This locks timing and prevents finish by refining. Smooth tangents, stagger key timing so adjacent strands lag slightly, and nudge tips to emphasize follow-through. If you see jitter, reduce collision thickness, raise solver substeps, or increase sample rate. These fix interpenetration and numerical artifacts. Once satisfied, export the cached animation or retime with a time warp layer for slower or faster motion. If things still go wrong, isolate one strand, reproduce the issue, and compare solver settings. This targeted test reveals the offending parameter quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.